Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So guys, in this video I'll show you how you can connect your Moto E4 Plus to your smart TV. There are very few simple steps that need to be followed. The first step is go to settings. Now go to Wi-Fi. Please on your Wi-Fi before proceeding further. On the right side you can see three dots. Click on that. Click on advanced. Click on Wi-Fi direct. I can see it's searching for your smart TV. Now it's showing my smart TV name as LG WebOS TV available. You have to click on invite. Now you have to invite your smart TV to connect to your phone. So click on your smart TV name. Yeah. See, now it has sent an invite to my smart TV. Now I'll show the settings on my smart TV via camera. I'll minimize the screen. I'll go to my camera and I'll show you further what to do next. See guys, now it's showing like another device want to connect to your smart TV through a Wi-Fi direct. Go to settings, network, Wi-Fi direct to create a connection through a Wi-Fi direct. Yeah, now I will take my TV remote and I'll show you what to do next. Now give it as okay. Yeah, now go to your TV settings. I'll go to all settings. There are very few simple steps guys. In different smart TV there will be different options, so you have to follow that. Yeah, now we have to go to networks. Now you have to go to Wi-Fi direct. Click on that. Now you have to wait for few seconds. It'll search for your smartphone. Yeah, now it's searching. Wait for few seconds guys. Still it's searching. If your Wi-Fi is on, it'll get connected as soon as possible. Yeah, it's showing like no Wi-Fi connections available. Refresh the list again. Refresh the list again guys. Yeah, wait, again it's searching for the device. Yeah, now it's showing my smartphone name like Moto E4 Plus. Now I can give it as okay on that. Yeah, now it's showing like it has sent an invite to our Moto E4 Plus. So you have to accept the request on your Moto E4 Plus. Over here it's showing like it has been already connected automatic because I have connected many times through this TV. Okay, so it has been automatically connected. If you connect for the first time, it will send an invite to your smartphone. You have to accept the request on your phone. Now the second step is go to Play Store. I'll minimize the screen and I'll go to Play Store. Play Store. Yeah, now you have to search in the search bar like bubble UPnP. Yeah, as you can see I have already installed this app. Please install this app. After installation, open this app. Yeah, the app gets opened. Yeah, in the left corner down you can see three bars like more. Click on that. Here you can see a Wi-Fi router like screencast option. Click on this. Yeah, as you can see my TV name is displaying over here like LG WebOS TV. Click on that. Once again you have to follow the same steps. Please go to more. On the cat screen option, click on that and then LG WebOS TV. Yeah, now what you have to do, again you have to go to more, go to videos, then you can select any one video. I'll show you a sample video, like I'll play this video on my TV. Give it as okay. Yeah, give it as okay. Now I'll show you whether the video is playing on my TV or not. I'll minimize the screen. I'll go to my camera. Yeah, see guys, as you can see the movie is getting played on my smart TV. Okay guys, these are the very few simple steps that need to be followed by you. So by following this step you can connect your phone to your smart TV. It's very simple guys. So guys, I hope you would have liked my video. If you liked, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.